Have you seen all of the new items and hidden gems that Dollar Tree has right now? I found a few of them and I'm going to show you some really good DIYs and hacks that you can do with them. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DIY Home and Crafts. My name is Jazz and I'm so happy to have you here today. And if you are new over here and you like home decor, DIYs, hacks, and projects on a budget, make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell so that way YouTube is going to notify you every single time that I'm going to be uploading a new video. And guys, if you follow me for a long time and YouTube is not letting you know every time I post a video, maybe you can unsubscribe and then subscribe again. That way, hopefully, it's going to work and you can watch every single video that I'm posting. I post every Thursday, so you can keep that in mind too. And guys, for today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 new DIYs and hacks with items and supplies that you can get at Dollar Tree from the Crafters Square section, and also like this huge section that Dollar Tree has right now for spring. So I hope that you can get some ideas and inspiration from these DIYs, and if you like them, that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. And let me know, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 DIYs, so let me know which of them is one of your favorites. Let me know that in the comments, and you can follow me on all my social media pages. I have been posting so much on Instagram. I really like to share with you like behind the scenes, things that I buy, my family, my life. So if you want to know me a little bit better, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It's DIY by Jazz, and the link is going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. Okay guys, I hope you are ready because I am. Let's DIY together. Now for the spring season, Dollar Tree brings so many planters, and this time I found this planter trolley at Dollar Tree. It is so nice. It has wheels and it comes, I think, in 3 different colors. I decided to go with the very neutral one, but later I decided to paint it. So I'm going to be removing the sticker it has, and I'm going to be painting this with some spray paint in black color, and then I let it dry. When I was painting this, I decided to remove the wheels that it has, but if you paint with the wheels, maybe they're going to stick, so you can remove them. It's going to be easier for paint, and then you can just add them on the bottom part of this planter trolley. Now I want to work on a vase for this planter. I decided to go rustic, so I'm going to be use a cardboard from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a circle the same size of my planter, and then I'm going to be using some Jumbo craft sticks that I have. You can get these from Walmart, or I think Dollar Tree sells them in a smaller size, so you can try to find that. And then I'm going to be cutting one side to make sure it has a straight edge, and then I'm just going to start adding hot glue on my cardboard and start sticking all of the craft sticks. I'm not creating like any exact pattern, but I just wanted to cover the whole circle. So yeah, that's what I did. It's super easy and simple and fast to make. Now that they are all stick, I'm going to be using some really good scissors, and I'm going to start cutting the sticks. My black cardboard on the back is going to be my guide, so I just cut them. It's pretty easy to cut if you have good scissors, and then you can use a sanding sponge to sand all of the edges to make it look so much better. Now you can paint it any color. I want to have like that wood texture, so I decided to go with some wax. I add a little bit of water just to make it easier to paint, and the color is going to be a little bit lighter. I paint the whole piece, and then I'm going to be drying these with my heat tool. Works amazing. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box of this product. And once that part is ready and everything is dry, you can add some hot glue on the base of your planter, and then you can add a circle with the sticks. And yeah, this is all super easy DIY that anyone can do with these planter trolleys from Dollar Trees that you can get right now. This is perfect to make it a tray, add some plants. Maybe you can put it outside on your backyard and it's going to look awesome. For this next project, I'm going to be using a wreath from Dollar Tree. You can use any one. They have so many different options. This is the one that I'm going to be using for this project. And I'm also going to be using these seed pods that you can get right now at Dollar Tree. I think they are new this year, and they are so nice to use them for seed planters or to create some really good projects with them. I decided to create a really nice idea. I'm going to be using some hot glue, and I'm going to start sticking these on of my wreath, and you can stick them in so many ways. I decided to put them all in different directions. I thought that this could be different and it's going to look super nice at the end. From there, you can add some flowers, greenery. I have some at home already, a few small pieces. So you have to add a little bit of hot glue and then start sticking off like the flower or greenery that you are using for your project. Once that part is ready, I decide to cut smaller pieces of greenery, and that way I'm gonna try to cover some empty spaces from my wreath. It's going to look so much better and fuller. If you want, you can add only greenery and you can basically use it all year round, or maybe you can add some flowers too. It is going to be perfect for spring. So that's what I did. I add a few flowers here and there to give it that nice touch. Now that that part is ready, you should add a piece of twine on the back to be able to hang these. And I'm also going to be adding a smaller piece of twine because I want to hang this watering can that I have. It's super small. It was galvanized first, but I decided to paint it black because I want this piece to look a little bit more neutral and modern. And this is how my project turned out, and I think it's so cool and a great idea using these seed pods that are new from Dollar Tree. Have you ever seen these mushrooms from Dollar Tree before? For me, this is new and I love them so much. I really like the green it has, but I don't know, I think I want something a little bit more neutral and modern. So I decided to use some chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to be painting only the green part of these mushrooms. It's super easy, and I highly recommend using chalk paint because it's super easy to paint ceramic. And guys, these mushrooms come in different colors that you can choose from, but if you want to paint them, the color doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to be drying everything with my heat tool. Now that the black paint is completely dry, I'm going to be using some chalk paint in white color, a brush, and then I'm going to start adding so many dots on my mushrooms. I think this is going to give it like a realistic look. It's going to have a high-end look, and I just love it so much. Guys, you can get these ceramic mushrooms and paint them any color to make it match with your spring decor. I'm going to be using a few on my home because I love them so much. I love mushrooms, and yeah, I hope that you like this idea. Dollar Tree is bringing so many new stuff at the crafters squares section, and I came across with these craft wood and I was so excited about these. It comes in 2 different sizes and I decided to go with the largest ones. I got 4 pieces and I'm going to start by making a frame. Guys, I'm going to be sticking these together. You can use like popsicle sticks and hot glue or wooden glue just to make it stronger, and you can add that to stick the sticks together. But I decided to go a little bit extra and add like a tooth hanger in between of them to make sure that it's going to stay pretty strong. And I did the same on the 4 sides of the frame. Now I want to make a window, so I have these steer sticks that are from Lowe's. You can find them also at Home Depot, and with only one package, only $1, you can make a window. So I'm going to start cutting mine. 2 of them are going to be 14 inches long, and the other stick I'm going to cut it in 3 pieces that are going to be 5 inches long each. That way you're going to be able to make the divisions of your window. To stick them, I'm going to be using just some popsicle sticks and hot glue, but if you have patience, you can use wooden glue to stick all of the sticks. Okay, once all of the sticks are dry, you maybe can use some wax or stain. I decided to go with black paint because I really want this piece to pop out from all of the wood that I have in my home. So that's what I did. I paint my window black. I put it on my wall, on my entryway, and this is the result. This is how this project turned out, and I really like it. And I'm so in love with like the new refresh that I gave it to my entryway. I hope that you like it too. And if you like it, hey, give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed too. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites, and you can follow me on all my social media pages. My Instagram, I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. It's DIY by Jazz. You can follow me there. So many reels, stories, and pictures and photos that you're going to love. So make sure that you follow me there too. And guys, see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye!